Ladies and gentlemen, if you're like me, you're getting spammed with ads for hunting birds. Guys, let's see how much money we're going to make on hunting birds. Apparently this delivers us real life money for playing their app. I've already got an ad 1 second into this, recording. So that's a pretty telltale sign that this is going to be a scam. But let's find out together, okay? Here we go. Seriously, dude. I mean, there's reviews going around. This is the biggest scam going around, dude. Legitimately. I'm not even joking. Hunting, and let's try this in Google quickly. Hunting birds app. This is 100% gonna get me angry. I can tell. Here we go, alright? Oh my god, dude. Here we go. I love it. I love all the 1-star reviews. I'll be putting up the 1-star reviews for these apps on the screen, by the way, guys, okay? Keep that in mind. If you don't know what I do or here on YouTube, I expose scam apps. And hunting birds is on my radar for the simple fact of how much they advertise. Oh my lord, they have a lucky spin feature. No. Surely not. No, they all have the same design. All these stupid scam apps have the same setup, bro, with a lucky spin feature. Guys, if you've never heard of me before, please understand me now. I've played over 100 apps on this channel now, and any app that has this dumb, pathetic, rigged design is gonna scam you and spam you. Look at this. It's just giving me an ad. Legitimately just giving me an ad for trying to get out of that stupid screen, and I can't even get out of it. How do I get out of this ad, bro? I can't get out the ad. Oh my god. Oh, this makes me so sad. Oh, I hate this. Do you know what it's like to wake up every day, finish your work, you're at work all day, bro, and then you come home to this trash. I'm doing this for you guys out there. Do not say I don't do anything for you fans and viewers out there, alright? This deserves a like and subscribe straight off the bat to how trash this is, man. Like, legitimately, I'm gonna bust this app down to the ground, man. You watch. You watch. Tap the start. Here we go. What are we gonna get here? Get cash. Alright, what's going on right now? I don't get it. What's going on? Nice catching. Collect. My wallet is 0. Tap to open. How do I get $10? Ad loading. Look at this absolute muppet of the earth. What is this trash? What is this? What? PayPal. Did you see that? PayPal. Yes, PayPal. What is this? Super Arsenal. Oh my lord, you get real life money for trying out Super Arsenal. Okay, I'll remember that. I'll remember that app. I'm going to try that out on my channel after this video. Guys, check out my next video, Super Arsenal. Apparently you get real life money, bro. I can't wait. I can't wait. I hope... there's nothing I can... Oh, I'm speechless even thinking about destroying this app, dude. Here we go. New bird, Skylark. Who cares? Dude, seriously, I'm so mad. I'm just already mad how many ads I've already watched, dude. Ride. $10. Yeah, okay. What's the redemption? $100 to cash out. Okay, that's not too high, but you're never going to get it. If you look at the reviews of this app, you're never going to get it, bro. $100 on Amazon gift card. $100 on Google Play. Walmart gift card, $100, even though I don't have Walmart. Sephora, $100. Pizza Hut, $100. Get money. Alright, let's upgrade my bird a little bit more here. Here we go. 5% more gold. Okay. So you have to aim it, I think. Yep. 312 gold. Nice catching. Another ad. If you know me, everyone, if you know me, if you've ever watched any of my videos before, you now understand something. I hate getting lied to with apps. I hate being scammed by apps. Hence why I've dedicated my channel to crushing these apps. Everyone, please do me a favor. If you are listening, stay away from hunting birds. Look at the reviews I'm putting up for you now and understand something. This is not a real app. Please understand something. This is a scam app. They're forcing you to watch advertisements non-stop to get money you're never going to get. The app itself is fine. Alright, so the app, the activities in the app are fine. But it's a joke. Do you know what I mean by this? It's a joke. Like, you're never going to get real life money. Yet again, developers are scamming the people of the Play Store. It makes me so angry. It is one big fix. And I just wish I wish that Google was so... Do you know what's funny about Google? This is what I love about Google, right? Like, they will be so strict on us YouTubers, okay? So strict on us YouTubers. We can't post anything. We can't swear, really. Can't do anything without getting your ads hurt or possibly banned. But they allow this absolute trash, lowest trash of the trash on the Play Store. Just because it brings in good money. That is the only reason. Do you know how much this makes me sick? Google, you are... Sorry, I feel like I'm just talking to the camera here. And here I am saying Google, like Google's actually going to watch me. Guys, these apps need to be destroyed. Google needs to do something. I don't know how we get Google to do something. But this app, Hunting Birds, needs to burn. Boss incoming. How do I have a bot? What is this? What is this? What? Okay, capture the boss. If this gives me an ad, oh, thank the Lord. Okay, I didn't get an ad this time. Woo! Looks like you actually get idle elements here. Yeah, there is idle elements. Cool. That's great. Let's increase the strength here. Increase the earnings per minute. Yeah, Hunting Birds, bro. Don't know what to tell you, everyone. It just makes me sick. I'm being dead set. I'm not even exaggerating right now. This is the most frustrating thing I think I've ever witnessed. An app that does this to you, that lies so hard. It's just going to keep giving me ads, by the way, non-stop. Get ready for it. Oh, got $1. How do you get $10 at the start of the app? How do you go from getting $10 to $1? You explain that to me if that's not rigged. Legit, let's think about this carefully. You start off the app with $10 and you get $1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Perfect Blocks Plus. Bro, every day I think I'm going to be able to have a break on YouTube. Like, every day I think, oh, today I don't have to record. It just never ends. The trash never ends. It's like an infinite pile of trash. Guys, you might see advertisements on my videos, right? But that's because I'm trying to make this my full-time job. These people have no excuse. They're just trying to rip you guys off. Like, at least you get content out of my videos. It might not be heaps of content. It's only 8 minutes. I'm not playing more than 8 minutes on this app. Are you kidding me? Dude, I'm not going to lie to you guys. If I get the video past 8 minutes, I get more ads, and it means that I can actually make a living. I'm being honest here. I'm not lying what I'm doing here. I'm making videos, getting paid to make videos, exposing apps that lie about making money. So, literally, like, who would you rather watch? Would you rather watch me? Or would you rather watch an app that plays infinite number of ads for no payout? Okay, at least you get something from me. You get time. I save you guys time. And that's the point of my channel, guys, to save you all time. Because this is a joke. It's just a joke. It's one big fix. I hope Google bans this app, Hunting Birds. I'm so mad. It's amazing how mad that someone can get over an app, but I hate being ripped off, dude. If anyone has played an app before and has been ripped off by an app or been scammed, you know why I'm so angry. I hate being scammed, and I think you guys should feel the same feelings I do. I really hope you guys agree with me here, because this is wrong. Like, Google needs to do something. Who cares if they have new mounts and look, all of these heaps of different birds, man. Who gives a rat's? You know what I mean? I can't even swear. I wish Google let me swear without banning me nearly, dude. I really do, because this is garbage. A magic carpet. You can spend $8.50 on a magic carpet. Sure. There you go, everyone. I just spent $8.50 of my in-game currency on a magic carpet that does absolutely nothing. How pathetic is that? So now I have to grind again. Far out, dude. I'm getting off this. It's making me too angry. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of Hunting Birds. Hopefully Google destroys it tonight. I doubt it, though. Catch you in the next video, guys. See you later.